Okay, so today I'm going to be making ropa vieja, and I'm going to start off by cutting up the vegetables. So just a little note, make sure you cut off the gross tops of like the carrots, like the really crusty part on the bottom of the garlic, and then we're going to go ahead and peel that, but you won't see that because I'm going to skip through it. Okay, so we're going to start off by plugging in the crock pot. And then we're gonna set it to high, and then we're gonna gradually start adding the chicken in. You want the chicken to be on the bottom, that way that can be the softest part and that can warm up the best, and then it can soak in the flavor from all the rest. Okay, so once you have enough chicken to cover the bottom of the crock pot, you're gonna go ahead and add in the chopped veggies. And then after that, go ahead and add in the 2 quarts of water. We're going to do 2 cups of chicken broth. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and put in 1 bay leaf. Okay, so next we're going to start adding the spices, and we are going to do 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and we're also going to do 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then we're going to use a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Then after that, we let it sit in the crock pot for an hour and a half. Okay, so next, before this is done with the hour and a half, we're going to go ahead and chop up the peppers and the onions. You're going to want 2 bell pepper, green peppers, and then we're going to use half of an onion. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to sauteing the onions and peppers. So we're going to go ahead and use 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're going to go ahead and saute the peppers and onions. Okay, so once the peppers and onions are sauteed, you will want to add them to the crock pot. And then the next step is the rice. And you'll add 4 cups of coconut water to the pan. And then once that comes to a boil, then you'll just add the rice, and then your meal is all ready to go.